want to watch my show, Ethan. Ha. A young female voice with a warm, expressive tone says,
No way, I'm not giving it to you. Please, Ethan? Just 5 minutes. I said no. You've been playing all day. It's my turn. Okay, fine, just for a minute. This is MY show now. No. You are so selfish, Ethan. Fine. I will not fight anymore.
Oh, Mr. Chen is in his garden.
He is always so kind. I like Mr. Chen. There is no background music or ASMR effect. Oh no, Mr. Chen fell down. Ethan! Ethan, come look! Mr. Chen is hurt.
He is fine, Sarah. Stop being dramatic.
He is NOT fine. He cannot get up. Go away, Sarah.
Fine, I will help him and myself.
Hold on, Mr. Chen. I am coming.
Good morning, Sarah.
Hi, Mr. Chen.
Look at the flowers. They are blooming.
Wow, that's beautiful. Mr. Chen! Mr. Chen! I am here! Hello? Mr. Chen, are you okay?
Oh, I'm fine, Sarah. Just a little trip. Thank you for your help.
No problem. Look, the hydrangeas are blooming.
So they are. Come on.
Look, Mr. Chen, it's so pretty.
Yes, Sarah, it's a camellia.
Can we pick it?
We should let it grow first. It's too young. Sarah, I fell. My leg.
Mr. Chen.
Don't worry, I'll get help. Oh no, hold on, I am here.
Sarah, is that you? I thought I lost you. It's me, Mr. Chen. Everything's all right.
It is okay, Mr. Chen. I am here. Do not worry. Mr. Chen?
I'm here, Sarah.
I'm here, Sarah.
Oh, this is bad. I need to get help.
Mr. Chen, do not move, I am going to get my mom. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sarah? Wow, Mr. Chen, it's so beautiful.
Isn't it, Sarah?
Just like the stories.
I can't believe you grew this.
Mom! M-O-M? Where are you? Ethan, please! Mr. Chen is really hurt. Please come. Okay, I'm coming.
Sarah, please move aside. You are blocking my view of the show. Ethan, this is serious.
Huh? Mayan, kita haha. Huh. Listen to me. Mr. Chen fell. He cannot get up. His leg is hurt, How? We have to help him, fast. Ethan, please. He is an old man. He needs our help right now.
Okay, I'm here.
Give it back, Ethan. No, I just started. You had your turn. Fine, but wait.
He has a phone. He can call someone himself.
I cannot believe you, Ethan. Mom. Oh, hi, Sarah.
Mom! Mr. Chen fell in his garden. He cannot stand up. His leg looks very bad. Oh no. Are you sure, Sarah?
Yes, Mom, I'm ready.
That's my girl. Hello? Yes, this is an emergency. My neighbor fell. He is an elderly man. His leg is injured. The address is 14 Maple Street. Please come quickly. Thank you.
Come, Sarah. The ambulance is on its way. Let us go to Mr. Chen. Mom, I was so scared.
It's okay, sweetie. You're safe now. You did the right thing, sweetheart. You were very brave.
Mom! The emergency vehicle is arriving.
Maya.
Thank goodness, Sarah. She saved me.
Sir, can you hear me? We are here to help you.
He is in good hands now, Sarah.